All right, good morning, everybody. Well, we made it to Friday. Can't believe it's already July 1st. Wow, July 1st, 2022. Friday, right before the 4th of July holiday. Could get pretty quiet as we go into the afternoon, but right now, let's just looking at the overall market based on our scans. I believe we're getting a pretty good tendency to be an up day today. Let's take a look here. Though I wouldn't be surprised to see it open lower, at least at this point. Looks like she's going to open lower. But looks like we're pointing for an up day overall. We'll take a look at what we're going to be trading this morning, as always. I'm just taking a quick look at my scanner. And basically what we do is we analyze something like 12,000 stocks. We take our patterns that we use and we apply them to those 12,000 stocks. We see which ones are showing to be biased up, which ones are showing to be biased down. And then we look at that percentage, and it usually gives us a pretty good indication of what's going to happen with the overall market, particularly the US 500. Right now, I'm pretty strong bias. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting a pretty strong bias for the E-mini S&P to be up today, meaning it's going to close above. Today's close is going to close above the opening today. So looks like we're getting a strong bias there. I'm just kind of going through all of them. Yeah, I mean, just pretty much across the board. Yeah, we look pretty strong bias to the upside today. So with the slower opening, it may provide us with a really good buying opportunity. Hopefully, I'm anticipating it to be a lower opening, maybe work its way up. All right, so let's take a brief look, see what we're going to be trading this morning. Once again, if you're on YouTube and Facebook, thank you all for joining us this morning. Please make sure that you subscribe. It does help out my channel so I can continue to do these free live broadcasts. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bell. We'll keep you updated on any new videos that may be coming out. And please share if you know anybody that likes to trade. My approach is different in the sense that this is something I developed over 30 years ago. I've been trading for 40 years, and this is different than this is a different approach to trading. I haven't seen anybody trade like this. I don't use indicators. I don't use your chart patterns, your traditional chart patterns. I don't use any kind of traditional candlestick patterns. My patterns are what I call behavioral patterns. Are different. And they're universal in the sense that I can use whichever pattern that I'm looking at. I have several. I can apply it to any market, any time frame. And so let's see here. So starting off, we're going to be looking at the ES. Top right hand corner over here is going to be the symbol. So ES is going to be for the E-mini S&P 500. RTY is going to be for a mini Russell. YM, mini Dow, and Q for the mini NASDAQ. We'll be watching GC for gold, SI for silver, CO for crude, and of course NG for natural gas. And those that like to trade Bitcoin also be watching Bitcoin BTC. For the indices and the currencies, I'm going to be using a technique that we call Einstein. It is a formula in combination with patterns that, or my behavioral patterns that do provide us with an exact entry, a profit target, and or reversal. Reversal meaning that if we don't hit our target, we reverse, and then it calculates a new target. And then on the currency side, we're going to be looking at the Aussie-US pair, Euro-US, and US yen. On the currency side, NADEX side, we're going to be something we call it's going to be a core strategy, a little bit different than Einstein, but it's called the core strategy in the sense that when we get into the trade, we hold it usually no more or no longer than 4 to 5 minutes. And so we'll be watching for that possible short coming up on the Euro-US I see right now. So we're going to be watching that short on the Euro-US. Once again, when you see these double errors, that's a pretty strong pattern that we look at. If it holds, we'll be selling here shortly. Besides that, let's take a look at everything else. I don't see anything on the indices right now. Possible buy coming up on NQ, but not yet. I do show the mini Dow is providing a buying opportunity, so let's take a look at that. Okay, on the mini Dow, looks like we're going to have a target of 307.63. 307.63. We'll put that alert on the screen here. 307.63. That is going to be my profit target. And if we need the reverse, I'm going to reverse down here at 306.13. 306.13. Getting nothing on gold. We are getting, it looks like we're getting a buy on the natural gas. Getting a buy on natural gas, which is NG. Okay, let's get a target on this natural gas. Target on natural gas, I'm looking at to come up to 59.45. That's going to be my profit target. 59.45. If we don't hit 59.45, I need the reverse. I'm going to reverse at 57.95. 57.95. On the silver, we're getting a buy on the silver. Silver can be a really, really slow mover, but nonetheless, silver's target is going to bring us up to 1976. 1976. That is going to be our profit target, 1976. And if we don't hit that, need the reverse, we're going to reverse here at 1931. All right, no go yet on the euro. Was looking for a possible short there. No go. Nothing on the US 500. I'm sorry, nothing on the nothing on the US 500, which is the E-mini S&P. I have nothing on Euro US, US yen, or Aussie US. Still looking to try to hit target on the mini Dow, which we're long. NG, natural gas, is also in a buy. Silver's also in a buy. Okay, I'm keeping an eye on the mini Nasdaq NQ. Slowly approaching a buy target here. Buy entry. Once we hit entry, it'll provide us with a profit target. All right, so once again, if you're thinking about joining us, we do have a 4th of July special going on for packages. Please be sure that you check those out. It's the best deal that I've offered all year for my packages, so if you're interested in joining us, this is a good time to do so. We have 2 packages. We have the core package, and then we also have the core plus crystal ball package. The core starts off with going through all the basics, teaching you the basic patterns that we use, and then as you get into crystal ball, it's a little bit more advanced. It's more of a scalping approach. So if you're a very short-term trader, CB is a really good approach to trading. And so anyway, both of those packages are on sale. Please check them out. Just go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. Or if you're on our email list, check your email. We are sending out those reminders. Sale is good through the end of the 4th of July. Also, if you want to learn a little bit more about my strategies, you can always go to my YouTube channel, Binary Pro Strategies. Or you can also go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com. And if you have specific questions, then the best way to get a hold of me is through my website. And I'll be glad to answer those questions for you. Right now, I'm just kind of scanning over everything, and it's kind of quiet this morning. We got a couple things playing in here. We have a long going on in the mini Dow. We have a long going on in silver. We got a buy going on in natural gas. When I say long, that means I'm a buyer. When I say short, that means I'm a seller. Good morning, Jerry. How are you? I think my alert disappeared over here on natural gas. So I'll just draw a line up here. Target, once again, natural gas is going to be 59.45. That green horizontal line is going to be the target, and the red is a reversal on that natural gas.